Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a quick Apple TV remote unboxing, and I'm not gonna like set it up. Actually, I might do a video of me setting it up, but like if you guys want to see that, go and comment down below. So basically, since like for years we have an Apple TV, my family has been basically like using Apple devices, and streaming their devices, streaming their phones and devices to the Apple TV, like for mirroring movies and stuff. But we never actually had an Apple TV remote. We did, and I always kept it on this little border, or this little sill, this those TV sills. I'll show you an example. I mean, we've lost it ever since then, and we couldn't use any of the apps on the Apple TV. So basically, my father's bought a new Apple TV remote, so we can finally control our Apple TV and use the apps on it, like Prime Video, Disney Plus, and whatnot. So since I got it and it's like an Apple product and stuff, I just wanted to unbox it. Not just the Apple TV remote, I'm actually also going to unbox the Lightning Digital AV adapter. The adapter that controls like your iPhone to your monitor or your TV. Like you can just connect it to your iPad or whatever to your TV, and then you can play movies or stuff. So let's get unboxing. So basically, this is the old packaging of Apple. Let's focus a little bit. This is how the old Apple TV remotes box used to look like. I mean, the new one, it looks a bit more cleaner and slimmer, and it looks better overall. But this is how the old one used to look like. It was nice and thin. I mean, I kind of remember this kind of boxes, but like as like a little boy ever since then. So sorry for any other extra noises you see in this video, but let's unbox this. So, I think I just need to remove this wrapper, right? Okay. Or I've seen this kind of packaging before somewhere in the Apple. It's kind of like AirPods, but like, or you just, come on. I'll get back to you guys after I do this part. So I'm like really dumb, but like as you can see, there's this orange tag that like shows it to pull it over. So let me try pulling it over. Let's see what happens. Come on. Can I not even pull this over? Oh, got it, I got it. And then from there, do you take this off or do you pull it up? I think you pull it up. Yep, got it. Let's open the new Apple TV remote. We don't need this anymore. There we go. There's the Apple TV remote. Come on. I think we can get it out of its packaging somehow. Or just let's slide it open. Come on, you bad boy. Oh, is it this way? Or just slide it out. Come on. Come out of the packaging, mister. There we go. I got it out of its packaging. So there is our Apple TV remote. That's how it looks like. It's really nice, and it's really slim, and it's really thin. It's the old Apple TV remote, so like it's not part of the new Apple TVs that are going to come out, or like the newest one that's selling right now from like 2017. This is one from 2010, I think, because we have a really old Apple TV. But if you want to pick one up, I mean, it's still really great to pick one up today. I think I should take the wrapper off. This is a brand new Apple TV remote. It's not third party or anything. I can't believe they still sell these. Or maybe this is an old one. Maybe let's take the wrapper off. Or maybe, it's kind of difficult to use it like this. I'm going to take the wrapper off. Let me see if we can get that satisfying peel. Yep. Okay, we're getting that satisfying peel. Let me just bring it closer to the microphone. Okay? Just listen to this. I did that in my first video, my iPhone 10R video. Okay, so let's get this off all the way. I think you just basically take that off. There we go. We have a brand new Apple TV remote. See if there's any scuffs or scratches, makes it look like it's used. I mean, there's a little one right here. Zoom in a little bit. It's not really noticeable. I don't think you can see it on camera. See, there you go. But look, looking good. Looking good. Silver. I mean, they sold used Apple remotes, but this one is not as good. Look at the side buttons. Okay, menu, play and pause. All working really good. You got the sensor up on top. All around, very good Apple TV remote. So let me get unboxing the, oh shoot, I dropped the remote. It's pretty good. Looks like it's still working. Just want to drop it again. I'm just going to keep it on the side here. Okay, now I'm going to unbox the digital AV adapter and get out of the way. You know, if you buy this from Apple, it's like $50, but like I bought it from a third-party company. Like, I don't know, they had like 1,000 good reviews, so I just like on Amazon, so I just went and like bought it. So let's open this digital Lightning AV adapter. Is it the same way? Oh no, they're not as special as Apple. They don't have like the peely thing or anything. It's not as Apple's unboxing. Like if you were to get the actual Apple one, it's not gonna be like this. It's gonna be more premium. But it is a third-party one, so I'm just gonna, there we go. Get that out. Oh, this is cheap, bro. This is cheap. Looks, oh my god, it looks exactly the same, but it's so much smaller. I don't think an HDMI can even fit in there. Do you think? Ah, no. Oh my god, is it just gonna scam me? Let's look at the instructions. Okay. I'm not sure. I don't think this is gonna fit. It's just a waste then. I mean, it looks exactly like the real deal. Like, I'm not complaining. Look at that. It looks exactly like the real deal, but like an HDMI fitting in that? I don't think it can. You think it can? I'm not sure it can. Let's just peel the sticker off here. I've got some nails, so you know what? I'm not gonna peel that sticker off. So it basically looks like the real deal, but like I'm not really sure if it's the real deal. It isn't the real deal, but like it's got some yellowish up on top. I don't know if it'll fit an HDMI. Well, that's basically it for the video, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, then please comment down below. Please hit a like to this video and subscribe, because subscribing means a lot. Every subscriber does count. That is my unboxing of the Apple TV remote and the digital AV adapter, HDMI adapter. And that's basically it. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out till then, everybody.